finally I'm back with another video. It's been a while, so I've got a little bit of explaining to do. Basically, I don't know what I've filmed. I had loads of stuff filmed a couple of months ago and just never got around to editing it. Got married, so that took up a hell of a lot of time in the last couple of weeks leading up to it, so I didn't have a chance to do any videos. But it is what it is. I've had to take a break from even working on the car or doing anything, so there's a fair bit that's changed as well since the last video, which was when the van got hit by a swan. So that van's gone now. Managed to get everything repaired and sorted, actually sold it. I know in the last video I was really excited to get it back, to finally pick up car parts and stuff like that, but do you know what, I've actually upgraded. I'm pretty sure the only people that watch this are actually people that know me, so they know that I've got myself a Nissan Laurel, which I love more than anything. So there's a few bits that I filmed on that as well, because in the first couple of weeks I had a couple of issues with it, mainly smoke billowing from the vents. So got all that sorted and did a little bit of filming on that, so there's going to be a little bit of different stuff now, but basically just thought I'd apologise. It has been a while, and in the next coming months I'm going to get a couple of things done, but I am due to be having an operation in December. Hopefully that's the date we're hoping for, as long as it all goes well. I'm actually donating my kidney to my mum, so I will be signed off for 12 weeks. I will not allowed to be doing anything. I won't even be allowed to drive for 12 weeks, so working on a car is not going to happen. And we've got a few more exciting things that I'll show you over the next coming weeks, which means not being able to do stuff for 12 weeks is going to be a bit rubbish. But do you know what, it's going to be exciting, beginning of next year once I'm better and I'm able to work on cars again. But I've got some really exciting things, so I'm filming this weeks and weeks after the footage that you're about to see. I believe a lot of it is painting, and getting the engine bay all painted and sorted, and there's a few other bits as well. But I'm actually going to be filming some more stuff today, so possibly the next video you're going to see me looking exactly the same as now, maybe a little bit dirtier. But yeah, so it's going to be as much of a surprise to me at this moment what you're going to see, but hopefully you enjoy it. So we'll get cracking, let's carry on building the car, and let's go. So finally got the compressor all set up with a new spray gun. I've never tried this before, so I've just tried to spray a bit of yellow onto here. I had originally tried to brush it and it was a bit pants and took forever and was gloopy and horrible because it is hammerite. But I mean, I have done an abysmal job here, and well, I've got to leave it to dry and see how it turns out. But I don't have much confidence in it, but who knows. You can see that drip through from when I was brushing it, but who knows, maybe when it dries I can go over and do another coat and it might look okay, but honestly I don't think it is. But I'll keep practicing and keep giving it a go. I mean, this is going to be underneath the car, so I'm not that bothered. But I'll keep going because I have got some of that for the engine bay. Yay. But we'll see. I mean, I've dripped all over the floor, which is brilliant. But you can see my disgustingly messy setup in here. But I've given it a go. I mean, that's what it's for, isn't it? So we'll see how it turns out dry, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, we'll go. started getting things back together after cleaning and painting them up, and I think it looks pretty good. I've had to do a little bit of touching up on some of it. Obviously I've got to get myself some new boots and some new hydraulic lines, new boots and everything, but some of it's not quite gone to plan. I've bunched up some paint, but you know what, I don't care. This has turned out real nice. Just looks fresher. So I cleaned up all the bolts as well, so they look nice and fresh, and makes a massive difference. And it took 2 minutes to do with a wire reel, so I think I'm going to do that with most of the bolts that I'm putting back on that are going to be visible, but not that they're going to be massively visible. But there we go. Gone on now, and I've got to say I love how it looks in black in this engine bay. Now standing back a bit is, well, there's a lot more to do, and this might be premature getting it done. I mean, I still got to cut these bits out and get them all welded up. I've got to get the windscreen out and replace and all of this cleaned up. See, I've still got this big old hole here. Big old hole. There's a couple of holes inside. Car's full of crap, but yeah, so there's still quite a lot to do, but that is, in my eyes, that is quite a big win at the moment, and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. So you can probably see that this video isn't as long as normal. Missing loads of footage. I've obviously lost loads of it. This is me after going through all the footage and everything, about to start another day of filming some other stuff, but I've lost a load of the footage of a lot of the painting. I did actually end up using the air compressor and the gun for painting the engine bay, and it's turned out brilliantly. You'll see a bit more of it in some other videos, but yeah, I lost a load of footage. It's been ages since I've done any of this, since I've really even worked on the car. So apologies that there's loads of it missing, but it's a little bit of a short video today. Hopefully I'll have another video up of the next bit, which I'm really excited about, and I'm really looking forward to working a bit more in the car now. So hopefully I'm a bit better with the uploading, but it's still going to be far and few between for now, I think, while I'm busy going and having testing done, various other things. Really, life is just getting in the way, but with the new position of the car, which you're going to see in the next video, the new position of the car and some other things that we've got going on with the Navara and stuff like that. Hopefully I'm going to be able to do a few bits after work so I can start getting a few more bits of footage. But thanks for watching. I'll keep this short and sweet. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that random stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, and for me, peace.